Now that you have understood what is Google Analytics, now let us understand how to connect Google Analytics to your website. Now here, I'll be using this particular website. This is whitelotussolutions.com. This is a website which is made with the help of a GoDaddy. Now let us start with Google Analytics. Now I'll be adding this particular URL in the description box as well as the pinned comments so that you can get easy access to the Google Analytics page. The first step is start measuring. Click on start measuring. Before that, you need to check that you have logged in with the same Gmail ID which you have used to creating this particular website. Now, once you click on start measuring, you have to follow all these steps. You can see we have something called as account details. Now let us use the name of the company itself. It is White Lotus Solutions. Let us type it. So for a safer side, let us copy this name. It might be useful. When you scroll down, you can see, if you want, you can read this. Whatever it is there, you just need to click on next. Now the second thing is property name. So it is used. You can copy the name. Next, we need to change the time. Let us find India here. Okay, it is India. The Indian timing will be GMT plus 5:30. The currency of India is rupees. So let us check it. Now it is done. Now click on next. Now here we have select industry. So this is into a different industry. Let me see. So if your business is not listed in this list, you can click on other business activity. The next thing is business size. We have close to 11 to 100. Let us click this, then click on next. Now here you have an option called choose your business objectives. For reports that are personalized to your business, select the topics most important to you. Now for any business, if you have e-commerce business, you can click on drive online sales. If you want to generate leads for your service business, click on generate leads. If you want to raise brand awareness, you can click this. If you want to examine user behavior, you can click on this. So if you want everything, you can select everything. Now, if you click this, all other options will be cancelled. So in the baseline reports, you get multiple types of report. It depends on you, like what do you want? You can select those things. I want these things, so I'll be selecting this. Click on create. Now here, you can change the country to India. Now, if you want to read terms of service, you can read. Even if you read the entire thing, you just have to accept it. Click on accept. Then click on I accept. Now what it has done is, account has created a property. We have finished these steps. Now the last thing is connecting this site to Google Analytics. Now here we have an option called choose a platform. We have web, Android app, iOS app. For now, we have only the website, so we'll click web. In web, we have to paste the URL of our site and we have to paste the stream name. So our website's name is White Lotus Solutions. As we know, we are working on that site. Now we have to paste the URL of the site. Come to the GoDaddy's website, copy the link and paste it. Here, we no need to add the protocol since it is already there. You can just cancel it. Now, the next thing is create stream. Now, once we click on create stream, this kind of option will be opened. Now, look at this step carefully. Now, we have something called as now we have install with a website builder or CMS. As you can see, whitelotussolutions.com is built with the help of GoDaddy. Now let me explain how do you connect your site to Google Analytics. Now here we have something called as measurement ID. This is important when we are trying to connect the GoDaddy's website to Google Analytics. Click on this. Go to the edit site section of the GoDaddy's website. Go to settings. When you scroll down, you see something called as Google Analytics. Click this and paste the measurement ID here. Then click done. Then click publish. Once you click on publish, your website will be connected to Google Analytics. Now it will take some time. So it will take some time, somewhere close to 24 hours. It will take some time. By the time you can visit the Google Analytics page and see what can be done. Once you're done with this, click next. Now it says data collection is pending. It might take up to 48 hours. It is fine. It will take some time. Click on continue to home. So if you want Google to email all these things, you can select this and click on save. If you don't want Google to email you anything, just deselect or uncheck and click on this. For now, it is users, everything will be 0 since just now we have connected the analytics with. Now we have one more thing to do, that is go to admin, click on setup assistant. Now here you have 0 out of 7 marked complete. So after you connect your site with Google Analytics, you should come here. You should click this, click as mark complete. You should do mark as complete to everything. Now, don't worry much about Google Ads. We have a different session on Google Ads. We will do that as well. So once you do, you get 7 out of 7 marked complete. Now we can click on home. Now here it will still be 0. After 24 hours, we'll get the data of our website. Now, in order to verify if the real time is working or not, we have something called as reports. Click on reports. Now we have something called as real time. Click on real time. Now this is 0. Now, as you all know, what we did with the Bhagat Shivkumar's website while we opened, since it was connected 48 hours back, we could observe how many users were there on the website. Let us check if the real time works with this or not. Now, I'm at the whitelotussolutions.com website. I'm at the home page. Let me spend some time here. We have written, welcome to White Lotus Solutions. What is energy healing? Now, when we scroll down, we can see an interview video or a YouTube video. So now we have the customer testimonials. I'm still at the home page. some images. So next we'll go to the About Us section. About us, about the founder, we have something. Now let us skip the service page and directly jump to the contact page. It's a pop-up. Let us cancel this. Okay, so I'm at the contact section. Now let us go to the Google Analytics and check if it is working or not. So as of now, it is not working. Let us give it some time to check and analyze the data. I hope now you understood how to connect Google Analytics with your GoDaddy's website. The next video will be on how to connect your WordPress website with Google Analytics.